Have you ever heard about the subconscious mind before? It processes billions of activities per second. Let me give you two examples to help you understand how the subconscious mind works. Let's say you have something important that requires you waking up by 3 a.m. Even without setting an alarm, you discover that you end up waking up around that time. And what if you believe in a particular doctor? His touch alone may make you feel better. But if you don't believe in another, no matter what he does, you are less likely to get cured. That is the power of the subconscious mind. It's always working to release enzymes, chemicals, hormones to help you achieve what you believe or what you desire. And that is why it's very bad to always be negative. If you feel you are not good enough, you cannot do something, then your subconscious mind will help you to achieve your negativity. But telling yourself things like, I can do this, I'm strong, I'm confident, I'm beautiful, those words alone are powerful.